Welcome back, everyone. I am your trusted health mentor, a firm companion for your vibrant second chapter in life. What is the most common unwelcome guest that bothers seniors during the dry, cold transitional seasons and winter? It is persistent coughing, unrelenting phlegm, and indigestion. I know many of you suffer from sleepless nights due to coughing and feel perpetual discomfort and bloating after meals due to weakened digestion. That is why today, I want to introduce you to a food that has been used, like a precious herbal remedy since ancient times, a natural ginseng that calms coughs, clears phlegm, and aids digestion. I'm talking about our root vegetable friend, the radish. Radish is not merely a soup ingredient or a kimchi sidekick. The abundant digestive enzymes and vitamin C hidden within the radish enhance our body's detoxification capabilities and demonstrate remarkable efficacy in cleansing the lungs and bronchial tubes. However, if you consume radish haphazardly, you might destroy its crucial enzymes or even upset your stomach. Today, I will meticulously share the best transitional season consumption methods that boost radish's benefits by 120%, the incompatible foods you must strictly avoid, and the specific regimen for bronchial health. Now, what incredible things happen when this common radish enters our bodies? I will break it down into 4 core benefits for an in-depth explanation. First, radish is the ultimate respiratory remedy for cough, phlegm, and inflammation. Radish contains a pungent component called sinigrin. This compound excels at strengthening the bronchial lining, dissolving phlegm, and relieving inflammation. This is precisely why radish has been historically called the cough medicine from the earth. Furthermore, the abundant vitamin C and moisture in radish hydrate dry throats and lungs and boost immunity to aid in cold prevention. Vitamin C activates immune cells to build resistance against cold viruses, and sinigrin helps thin the phlegm, so it can be easily expelled from the respiratory tract. Second, radish is a natural digestive aid and stomach protector. Radish contains all 3 major digestive enzymes, diastase, amylase, and protease. Diastase, in particular, is outstanding at breaking down carbohydrates, offering a powerful remedy for the indigestion and bloating felt after consuming staple foods like rice or rice cakes. Since digestive enzymes tend to decrease with age, radish is an essential food for seniors as it supplements gastric function. Consuming radish immediately after a meal reduces the stomach's burden and enhances nutrient absorption, contributing to overall digestive health. Third, radish excels at detoxification and anti-cancer effects. The rich dietary fiber in radish stimulates bowel movements, relieves constipation, and aids in binding to and expelling waste and toxins from the intestines. Constipation is a primary cause of toxin buildup and the start of poor gut health, and radish's fiber resolves this issue. Additionally, the pungent compound in radish, isothiocyanate, assists in activating detoxifying enzymes in the liver, removing carcinogenic substances from the body, and is known to help prevent colorectal and lung cancer. This component contributes to preventing cell mutation and inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. Fourth, radish contributes to vascular health and blood pressure regulation. Vitamin P hesperidin, which is particularly rich in the skin of the radish, helps strengthen capillaries and improves blood circulation. Furthermore, the potassium contained in radish is effective in stabilizing blood pressure by excreting excess sodium from the body, playing an essential role in vascular management during the winter. When blood pressure fluctuations are common, this indirectly helps lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. Now that you know the amazing benefits of radish, let me share the best transitional season consumption methods that boost its benefits by 120%. Consumed this way, radish becomes medicine that governs coughs and digestion. The first best consumption method is radish juice or grated radish. The core medicinal components of radish, the digestive enzymes, diastase and cough-calming sinigrin, are extremely sensitive to heat and water soluble. Therefore, consuming radish raw, grated finely, or juiced, is the best way to minimize enzyme loss. Mixing a small amount of honey with the radish juice offers an excellent effect in alleviating coughs and phlegm. Honey also balances the radish's cold nature and soothes throat irritation. The second best consumption method is utilizing radish greens suragi. Do not discard the green leaves of the radish. The greens are far richer in vitamin C, calcium, and dietary fiber than the root. Dried radish greens, or suragi, are excellent for promoting bowel movements and maintaining bone health. The abundant iron in suragi is also effective in preventing anemia. Cooking suragi soup with soybean paste provides perfect nutritional supplementation for the transitional seasons. Note that suragi itself should be well cooked to prevent digestive issues. The third best consumption method is radish with vinegar or lemon. The pungent component, sinigrin, is better preserved and less volatile. When mixed with acid, slicing the radish thinly and pickling it in vinegar or lemon juice allows you to preserve the radish's benefits while actively stimulating digestive function. The organic acids in vinegar also provide a synergy that aids in calcium absorption from the radish. The fourth best consumption method is drinking ginger tea with radish. Radish fundamentally has a cold nature. Those who are naturally cold or suffer from cold hands and feet may experience stomach upset if they consume too much raw radish. In such cases, consuming ginger tea, which is excellent for warming the body, or mixing a small amount of ginger juice with radish juice, can neutralize the cold energy and provide comprehensive relief for respiratory health. Just as crucial as the best consumption methods are, the incompatible foods you must avoid when eating radish. Unknowingly consuming these can destroy valuable digestive enzymes or harm your health. The first food to avoid is boiling or simmering radish for too long. As emphasized earlier, the core active components of radish, the digestive enzymes diastase, etc., are mostly destroyed when exposed to heat above 50 C 122 F. Stews or braised dishes that cook radish thoroughly may taste good, but you cannot expect the benefits of the digestive enzymes. If you want digestive benefits, consume it raw and freshly grated. The second food to avoid is the combination of radish and cucumber. Cucumber contains an enzyme called ascorbinus, which has the property of destroying the vitamin C abundant in radish. If you eat radish and cucumber together in a salad or side dish, the vitamin C in the radish will be mostly nullified. If you must consume them together, mixing the cucumber with vinegar first before combining it with radish can somewhat prevent vitamin C destruction, as vinegar inhibits the activation of ascorbinus. The third food to avoid is storing sliced radish at room temperature for a long period. If you slice too much radish at once and leave it exposed to room temperature, the various vitamins and enzymes in the radish rapidly oxidize and volatilize upon contact with oxygen in the air. The most important principle for preserving the radish's efficacy is to slice or grate it immediately before consumption. Any leftover radish should be wrapped and refrigerated. Now, let me share the specific radish regimen for fighting cough, phlegm, and indigestion that you are most curious about. Core principle: maximize the utilization of raw radish, enzymes and components to act directly on the lungs and stomach. 1. Radish honey syrup natural cough medicine preparation. Wash 13 of a radish thoroughly, grate it finely with the skin on to make radish juice. Method: mix the radish juice and honey in 11 or 21 ratio. Seal it in a container, and refrigerate. After just 1 day, more liquid will seep out from the radish, turning it into a syrup consistency. Dosage: when the cough or phlegm is severe, or every morning and evening. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons, swallow slowly, or mix it with warm water to drink. Caution: honey is strictly forbidden for infants under 1 year old. 2. Immediate indigestion relief regimen preparation. Wash a raw radish thoroughly and grate a small amount with the skin on. Dosage: when you feel indigestion or bloating after a meal, consume just about 1 finger joint's worth of the grated radish immediately. The diastase enzyme in the radish acts instantly to promote digestion. If the cold nature of the radish is a concern, you can consume it with warm barley tea. 3. Radish strip utilization for chronic cough relief preparation. Slice raw radish thinly into strips and lightly pickle them with vinegar and salt. Serve this as a side dish with your regular meals. Consistent daily consumption of a small amount of raw radish helps strengthen the respiratory lining and gradually reduces phlegm. Radish may be common, but it is one of the most powerful natural remedies for protecting our lungs and stomach. I hope you utilize the benefits and consumption methods of radish that I shared today to enjoy a comfortable and vibrant old age, free from the worries of winter respiratory illnesses. I will see you next time, with more valuable information for the active lives of our seniors. Thank you. If this was helpful, please hit like and subscribe.